Okay, this tutorial is all about how to make a repeating background in a web page. So if just an example here in YouTube, if you just gonna drag the screen here, if you see in here in my channel here, I just made a background of the Corel logo, CorelDraw Clips logo, and this will benefit those people who are signed up in YouTube. Anyway, let's start the tutorial. Now, if I have a logo like this and I want it to be the background of my account in YouTube, which is this one here. Okay, the first thing I have to do is, of course, you create the logo. The next thing to do is you have to create a box. Doesn't matter if it's square or rectangle. But if your logo is like a square, then make a square border in there, and then just center down. Now, I want you to click on the box, right? And then make sure to make it white. And of course, the box is in front of the logo, so you have to go to Arrange, Order to Back Page. Okay. Now, this is important since the background will be repeated. I mean, the logo will be repeated on the background. You have to delete the not delete. You have to remove the outline. So you go to your outline tool here and click on X. No outline. Now I'm ready to export this as a JPEG. Okay. When exporting it to a JPEG, make sure to choose the logo and the background. I mean the box which you just created without an outline. So to make it safe, I would zoom out and then make a crossing window. Okay. Make it big so that the box would be selected. And it's also easy to check if you go to View, click on Wireframe, see the box is selected. Go back here, now I'm ready to export this. So you go to File, click on Export, and then click on Export. I would just name it Logo, and then JPEG. JPEG or GIF, it's fine. But for that logo, I'll use JPEG, and then Export. So when you click on Export, this is also important. You have to make the resolution 72 dpi because of the resolution on the web is always 72 dpi. And in here, if yours is in pixels, make it. If yours is in inches, bring it up to pixels. Now in here, this is the size of the image onto the background. I would say for a logo to be repeated onto the background, uh, you would start with 250 pixels. That's how wide the logo would be. And then later on you can change this to whatever size. So you go 250 and then click OK. And here's a preview of the logo. And do nothing here. Just do the default options and then click on OK. Okay. Now, my next step is I'm gonna host the background of the logo. If you don't have a website or web server, then you can host it in a free hosting image hosting site. So if you're in Google, I would type in uh, image hosting and try Google search. So you're gonna look for free image hosting sites. So there's tons in there. I will try this one, image shot hosting. And in here, it's free, so you don't need to pay. So you click on browse here. So here's the website, imageshop.us. Okay, so you're uploading an image to the server so you can get the link. Click on browse. Okay, so I would get my image, which is this one, the logo. That's my file. That's the JPEG logo. You don't need to put your email or stuff. So you just click on hosted. So once it's hosted, you just have to wait for a few seconds because it goes to their server and it creates a link. Now once this one shows up, okay, I would say go to this option here for direct link to image. We need this link to put into your account. So highlight that, copy. Okay, so it's in our clipboard. Now, if you want to check in your address bar here, okay, you paste that link, okay, and then you would see that's the image that you just uploaded. Okay. Now let's go back to your account. Right? Go to, of course, my account here. And once you click on my account, you have see all of these options here. I want you to go to channel design. So when you click on channel design, then we show you all of these settings here. Okay, we are concerned about if you click on if you move to the advanced design customization, that's where you can customize your channel. Okay. So right now that's my channel here, so you can view it from here with no background, just black. So what you're concerned here is the background image. Okay. Remember we copied that link, so now right mouse click and paste that link. So the link is in there. Make sure to make this radio button on for yes, complete background. And then you go down, and you click on update channel. So when you click on update channel, okay, you would see that there's a preview of what you're getting here. So look at this. It's a preview. And then you can go back to your channel, just this one. And there you go. You got the background of the logo. Now, this one you can always make it transparent. So if you go back to your account, okay, go to your channel design, and in here there's transparency of 87 level. Okay, so if you make it, let's see, 50, you can view it here. See, it's transparent now. 50 is not really good for transparency, so we'll make it 62. There. Okay, so you can go update channel and then go back to your channel design, and there you can see it is transparent. This box is transparent.